We're thankful for them, Chris.
Yes, feels great outside. I don't know if I'd get into a big wicker basket attached to a balloon. It's just, I don't know. I don't trust it. Right now outside, boy, the weather has been fantastic, and it's almost cool in the city. And really, the city is where some of the warmest temperatures are at the moment. 72 degrees right now. A little bit of a breeze out at the airport at Ketter, Lakefront Airport as well. A little bit stronger of a wind gust, but sustained at 14 miles an hour. Dew points are low. Humidity is only at 28%. It is cool outside, and we do have mostly clear skies, or relatively clear skies. What you see in our infrared satellite, which looks to be overcast skies, these are high, thin cirrus and some mid-level clouds. So not really overcast as we were today. It's more filtered sunshine that we saw, and the high cloudiness kind of still sticking around late this evening. Already dropping into the upper 50s, Bogalusa and Hammond. Low 60s elsewhere, a 59-degree reading at Slidell. And as I mentioned, some of the warmer temperatures at the moment are in the city and down at Belle Chase in the low 70s. But even that is pretty cool when you factor in a bit of a breeze and the low humidity. That fall feel finally settled in today, and it is going to hang around for a little while longer. Today, tomorrow's high. Today we topped out at 79, tomorrow around 74. Lower 80s by Monday and Tuesday, but even that is below the average high of 74. We will see a temperature drop on Wednesday because we are expecting quite a bit of rainfall, and I'll explain why that is in just a moment. Tomorrow morning, we're starting out in the 40s, 50s, and maybe right near 59 or 60 degrees in the city. Usually the metro area, especially with lake water temperatures still a little bit warmer, it tends to be a little bit milder. But as soon as you get away from the city, those temperatures drop off. So tomorrow and Monday morning will be on the chilly side. You may want to have a jacket to start the day next couple of days. And really, we're all feeling a little bit more of that fall-like chill as a strong air mass moves south. This has origins from Alaska and northern Canada and will stay with us for the next couple of days. High pressure at the surface will also keep us under mostly sunny skies looking forward. But by mid next week, we're not looking out in the Atlantic. We're actually watching the East Pacific for two areas that have a chance of bringing us some much needed rainfall. What's very interesting is that we have Tropical Storm Lydia with a path that is going to take it into central Mexico. We also have Invest 99. If this one is able to get organized before moving into Mexico, it would be Max. Both of these systems actually have a trajectory taking it right toward the northern Gulf Coast by mid next week. So while it doesn't look like we're going to see any real development in the Gulf during this time frame, it does look like we're going to see the remnant moisture from those systems move in our directions. But the models are in not perfect agreement with just which one of those systems actually provides most of the rainfall. This is the GFS. Note the rain from Lydia spreads across Mexico and into Texas. If this is the case coming in from Texas, it puts us under far more of the rainfall, so greater coverage and greater accumulations. The Euro, on the other hand, actually not as much from Lydia, but what could become Max. So this moisture, if it surges our way, would be farther south. And if this is the case, our rain coverage would be less and likely the accumulations would be less. Now, both scenarios bring us rainfall, and we do desperately need it. The Euro would keep the heaviest of the rainfall, though, farther offshore, with the GFS maybe bringing in some of the heavier rainfall during the day on Wednesday. Now, again, both models calling for kind of a wetter day on Wednesday, and we do desperately need it. So we'll kind of fine-tune our rainfall totals as we get closer. Both scenarios, though, however, would probably keep some of the heaviest down toward the coast, and this area does have a low threat of some flooding rain, something that we also have not seen in quite a while. Not that we want to see any flooding, but we do need the rainfall. Next few days, beautiful. High temperature tomorrow, still on the cool side. Great start to the work week. Then comes in that chance of rain. That could be an 80 to 100% chance on Wednesday, likely tapering off by Thursday, and then drier Friday into Saturday. Note the temperatures drop as another cold front brings in beautiful fall weather for next weekend.
All right, the next two guys are going to